What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have a screen protector for the Sony Xperia 10 Plus. Now the screen protector is from Pulen and they say it's premium quality, but we will surely find out in a couple seconds if it is. Now this was purchased on Amazon for $7.99 with Prime shipping. This is a 2-pack, so that's not too bad of a price for a 2-pack, and it is rated at 9H for super hardness. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. Always cut away. I know I cut towards myself. Oh, I'm sorry. Next time I'll cut away. But and open this. Now this is a book type packaging here with the instructions on the left. We do have our installation kit there, as well as the 2 tempered glass screen protectors here. Let's take a quick look at the tempered glass screen protector before we install it. Now you do have a black edge that goes all around the screen protector. Now they advertise this as being full adhesive, and I do not see a matrix dot effect. I think it does have a matrix dot effect on the inner part, which I don't absolutely like. So right off the back, this is already not looking to be good. So I have my Sony Xperia 10 here with my case from Tudia, which is a Tudia merge. Let's go ahead and prep this device. I do see a rainbow effect. Now this is not full adhesive, I can already tell, because it has the adhesive all around the edges and it was sticking to the phone, making it a little bit hard to maneuver, but it doesn't look too bad. Very easy to install. Let's go ahead and pop this open. You do have a rainbow effect there. We'll have to see if that goes away, but it does not interfere with the screen. It doesn't cut out any portion of the screen out, but it's good for now. Until I find a decent one, then this one would have to work. It is case friendly. I do have the Tudia merge case here, and the screen protector does play nice with the Tudia merge case there. Again, $7.99, available on Amazon with Prime shipping. This is a 2-pack. I will continue in search for a full adhesive one. This one has the glue around the edges, but it's good for now. It doesn't seem too bad. We do have a rainbow effect layer like I mentioned, but let's hope that goes away. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.